friends, today for math we're going to be talking about some basic shapes, and we're going to start with rectangles. And I'm using a recycled cereal box to help me construct some of my shapes in my art. Today is Earth Day, yay! And I am thinking about reducing, reusing, and I'm going to recycle this into some art. I'm going to change it. But my focus is rectangles. I'm going to use this basic shape to help me construct more shapes. So here's my one rectangle. If I fold this in half, I can make two squares. So I'm going to do that. And then from there, with my square, I can make some triangles. So a square has 4 sides, 4 corners, and each side is the same. Unlike a rectangle, they're similar, but here are 2 sides the same, and these two, unlike the square has 4, but still has 4 lines and 4 corners. Okay, so here I am. I'm off to make my triangle. I'm just going to go from corner to corner, and I'm going to cut straight across. So this is one triangle. Now, I'm wondering if I can make another triangle out of this. So I'm just going to go to the one point. And kind of want to make my triangle differently. So I'm going to take this off. Ooh, what did I just construct here? Does anybody remember this shape? A trapezoid. So cool. So I'm having some fun here. I started off with my rectangle, and I changed my rectangle into a square. Here's another rectangle, and I made some lines. And I'm gonna go from that point to that point. Ooh, that kind of looks like, does anybody remember that? Maybe a rhombus, could be a parallelogram. So today, like I said, it's all about taking a rectangle and what shapes can you make. Now, I have not tried to make a circle. And guess what? Today we're not making circles out of rectangles. All of my shapes here have lines and corners. A circle is just one continuous line with no corners, no angles, no straight lines. So I want you to take the time to create a rectangle, or find some rectangles, and then change that rectangle maybe into a square, and finding a triangle, and maybe changing that triangle to a trapezoid, or making kind of like a rhombus, and then constructing a design. So when I'm done with all of these shapes, I'm going to make a design. And when I'm done with my design, I'm going to name it, and I'm going to tell you how many shapes are in my design. So don't forget, you're making shapes out of a rectangle. So how many shapes can you make out of a rectangle? So I have another piece here. So if I wanted to continue with my design work, I can fold this piece in half again, and I can start with a smaller rectangle and keep going. So I have some work to do. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I want to know a title for your art. I want to know how many shapes you used. And that's about it. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.